Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024. The top 10 winning tips to win on rounds with the top results. So we have the first tip is to use the industry condition reports and download and use a free Excel file to calculate IND for each round. I show you right now. So you have the Capsim Capstone round 1. We started with 5 products here. So the first tip is you check the industry condition report to see we have 5 products in sensor industry, right? And we have 5 products: low end, traditional, high end, performance, and size here. Each round we need to update the product by increase performance and reduce size differently for 5 segments: traditional, low end, high end. You see traditional we increase 0.7 and reduce size by 0.7, low end 0.5, high end 0.9, and performance at 1 and 0.7. We have table 2 here. You can see we have performance and size for 5 product segments here for each round from round 1 to round 8. But remember, we need to update the product one time more to move the product to the ideal spot to sell best. So each round, remember to update this table with the number here in table 3. So again, remember to update IND using the table 2 updated by the number in the table 3. Remember, you can download and use a free Excel file like this. I have updated the number here for the strategy here, so you can use this strategy for 8 rounds. The Excel you can download for free under this video. So now we are going to update the product for round 1. You see 5.7 and 14.3. Low end we don't update the product because low end requires 7 years to sell best. So low end we will update one time in round 3. This we update to 8.9 and 11.1, and this with 10.4 and 15.3, and this we have 4.5 and 9.8 and 20,000 here. For the performance we update to 27,000. I show you the reason why. And also we add a new product in low end with 4.5 and 15.5, 14,000. Then we can double the sale and profit from round 3 and round 4. We have 3 slots to add 3 new products. We will do that in round 1, 2, 3, and then we can double the sale and profit from round 4 to lead the game with top sale and profit on rounds from round 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So this is we check the launching date of the product here. And now, very important, we go to the marketing. For marketing, we need to set the price here, set the promotion and sale, and also calculate the sale forecast. I show you the tip here. So we look at the 5 segments here, 5 product segment. You see that this is the traditional segment account for 32% of the market share. So it is very important market share, very important segments, right? And you see the price range for that here for the traditional, and also see the price of competitors around here. And for the low end here, you see the segment accounts for 39% of the market share, and so the traditional and low end together accounts more than 70% of the market share. So it is very important to product segments. You see the price range. You see that the price very important here for the low end product. 53% of customer buying decision, and see the price of competitors around here. Similarly, you can see the high end 10%, 11% of market share, performance and size, price range not so important for the high end. And for the performance segments accounts for 8%, but growth very fast, 20%. And also you see the price here. And for the size, you also see it accounts for 8% and growth 19%. So our strategy is we developed new product in round 1, 2, and 3, and then we add new product in round 1, 2, and 3 here. Add new product in round 1, 2, and 3. One round, one new product here. You see that, and set the price and calculate the sale forecast. And now I show you how to do that, right? How to do that here. So we are going to set the price again. Remember to download and use the free Excel file so we can keep track of the price for each round. Each round we reduce the price by 50 cents to maintain the competitiveness and top sales. and we add here 1,500 for the this, and 2,000 here, two strongest market segments, and the other we use 1,200. We can increase the sale and promotion budget 200 each round, to sell more, but in this round we use this to gain some positive profit. And now it's very important to calculate the sale forecast. You see, we use this number. We are team C here. We use this number. Of course, round one on the team started the same. Here's our number in result from last round, and inventory. We can use Excel file again to calculate that for 8 rounds. Remember, you can download the Excel file for free under the comment part of this video. So if you cannot create the Excel file, you can send the emails. I will support you to create the Excel file here. So this is the sales forecast and production. We can add about 10, 15 or 20% to avoid being stocked out and keep some inventory, right? 1309 and 2326 for low end, and 510 for high end, 515 for performance, and 446 for size. That's simple, right? But remember to calculate that. Do not use this number. Use that for reference only. And you can increase this to 35 days to get customer, 35 days to delay the payment, and then you can sell better. And now for the production, it is quite simple. We use the sales forecast and deduct inventory. We get the production schedule. So we input the production schedule for 70, 437 and 384. And now you remember we need to adjust capacity and increase automation. So automation first because it's easy. Add new capacity for the new low end, and also set automation for the new product. So we check the budget here to see if we have enough budget to do that, right? And now you see that we can produce the second shift to the first shift, and the second shift 200% of the capacity. So we don't need that much, and we add more capacity for this. We don't need that much, right? So because we have here enough capacity for the next few rounds, so we sell some surplus capacity and buy needed capacity, buy the new capacity for the new product. So that's for the production. And now we move to for HR, no decision in the last few rounds, first few rounds. And now finance for on the round. In early rounds, so we issue the stock. We use all the fund sources we have and issue the stock. We can pay some very small dividends, right? Issue some short-term loan, long-term loans, and then you see we can keep around from 30 to 50,000, means 30 to 50 million here, to avoid any situation, and keep some enough cash to operate, so we can avoid emergency loan. So you see you get very good sales here, and 30% of contribution margin, and also some thousand here in early round. It is normal because you see that we spend here 17 or 18,000 on promotion and sales and R&D. So we keep some positive profit in round 1, 2 and 3. From round 4 we can have top sale and profit. So to check on the top 10 winning tips, you see we use the industry condition report. We use the free Excel file, update R&D, add new product in round 1, round 2, round 3. Each round we add a new product and set the price based on the career report and competitor prices. You can use the Excel file to keep track of that and calculate the sales forecast based on the unit we sold from last round, and the segment growth rate for each segment from 10 to 20%, and calculate production schedule. Remember to add new capacity for the new product here, and sell surplus capacity and add new capacity for the new product, and increase automation. Increase automation for traditional around to 8, low end to 10, and the other to 6 in the next coming round. And also you need to remember to use 2 or 3 sources of fund to avoid any kind of emergency loans in case of shortage of the cash. So you can send the email to mbaf2002@gmail.com for free support for 2 rounds. And you can check the updated winning tips in the Capsim guide 2021.blogspot.com. And if you want to understand all the decision of each round, you can order or arrange a 1-hour Zoom session to have explanation, set decision for a round like this, and explanation for all the decision of each round each round. You can send the email to winmbagames@gmail.com too. So that's overview for all the 10 winning tips of Capsim 2024, and you can win all the 8 rounds to get A's. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.